Just in case there's any residual oil, I shall put this down. There we go. Ta-da! Looks beautiful. I just love looking inside engines. It's the same? Yes. Oh, a little bit of oil. More than a little bit, to be fair. It's time to paint. So it's not perfect by a long way, but it'll have to do for now. I will clean it up a bit more. There's lots of runs with this paint. I used a paint I'm unfamiliar with, so that's unfortunate that there are runs, but I think it's good enough. Okay, quite a bit of touch up to do, but it's better than the first time. Very satisfying to pull them all off, I must be honest. These are to 7 Newton meters. Okay, they are torqued. I'll let them dry for a little while before I put the rest on. Okay. My first test fit of the plenum and the butterfly assembly. Need to clean it a bit more, I think. Okay, let's put these clamps back on. I don't really know the angle to put them on, so I'm just gonna guess. Okay, I've decided to switch these around and tighten them from the front. I'm not sure what made me think the back was the right place to tighten them, but it seems like it's a lot easier to tighten them from the front, so I'm just going to pivot them around. Okay, they are all tightened from the front now. Okay, jet black again. This stuff is vicious, so I need to be careful. In fact, I will put down quite a bit of this, just to catch it in case it falls. Okay. Yeah, new, old. Look at that, it's crazy. Alright, there's another one inside. There we go. Boom. We're getting there. Put in there. Unless it's on this. Ah, there it is. There we go. Okay, they're both on the one side. Now we clean. First time I've ever cleaned brakes with brake cleaner. How's that? Oof. Okay, so I've set them in the most conservative position, which is not far back. Yep. So let's see how that looks. The other side's a bit more complicated because you have to do the exhaust, because I think it clamps onto the exhaust. But I think this will be fine. Okay, so the book says 15, but that doesn't sound nearly strong enough because the original rear sets are sprung on like rubber mountings to prevent vibration. So this is not. So the rear pegs are 29. I'm just going to copy the rear peg torque because there's no rubber boots or rubber dampeners on the rear peg. So 29 I think is the one to go with. Just means this is a short touring bike. It's going to vibrate like hell. But that's the price you pay for Café racer, I guess. Okay, set. They look great. Yes. So on the other side, you get these two. What would you call them? A torque tube? No, they're solid. There's two different lengths. The shorter length seems to put the pedal at an extreme angle. So I don't think that's right. So let's try the longer one and just see. And the gear change selector is 17. I think it's about where we want it. So that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's clearance now. Okay. Okay, everything looks sturdy. We're changing gears. Yes. The other ones, these ones. There we go. I'll torque these on the bike when I can get a little bit of leverage. Okay, all rebuilt, ready to go. Time to put back on bike. I must say, they do make brakes pretty bulletproof that the average guy can put them together, which is great. So this little this nipple that comes out here on the end, the bleed nipple, is set to 7. So let's just do it right. It's not very tight at all. And these here are 32. Boom. Okay. There we go. It's not very tight. I don't know if that's normal or whether I need to flatten it. I think I'm going to flatten it a little bit. There we go. That's much tighter. Now nothing wiggles and it feels all tight. Okay. And last but not least, the cover.